Greetings and welcome to Eddify. First of all, congratulations on becoming an Eddify member. I want to welcome you by telling you and assuring you that you have become part of a very awesome group of individuals who are excited about learning and want to immerse themselves in the best available resource to help them prepare for this exam. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. Today's goal is to help you learn how to navigate and help you figure out where to find all the things that you need to be successful in this course. First, of course, log in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will be redirected depending on which page you logged in from, but for the most part, you will be redirected to the courses page. And here you will be able to see the courses that are available for the SAT prep. You might have bought all 4 of them, and the 4 are math, writing, reading, and the question bank. You might have gotten just one of them. You still will see all of these, but then you may not be able to access all the things that are in them if you haven't bought them all. So now, if you're not redirected to the courses page, don't panic, that's okay. You can always access your courses by hovering over your name at the top right over here and clicking on My Courses. Once you do this, you will see a list of the courses that you're enrolled in right here. Once again, if you bought all 4 will be here. If you only got 2, then you only have 2. So let's dive into the actual course and module. You will hear me interchange the word course and module a lot. So I'm just letting you know that those mean the same thing. Let's dive into the SAT math module. This part right here is called the progress tracker, and it just tracks your progress. So right now there are 57 items in this lesson. That could change. We're consistently adding more lessons as needed. And every time you complete one, it's going to update. Right now it shows 0, but as you complete, this is going to change. Now there are 5 tabs over here. You will undoubtedly spend most of your time under curriculum, but real quickly, here's an overview of the course, just a couple of lines to tell you what this is about. There are announcements. If there are any announcements to be made about any particular course, they will be found in here. Of course, if you don't know the instructor, you might be able to see them here and learn about them a little bit. And if you have any reviews that you'd like to leave about this particular module / course, this is the place to do it. Let's go back to where you'd be spending the bulk of your time, which is inside of this curriculum. These lessons are designed in such a way that they're going to help you learn all the concepts you need, ace and crush the SAT. Now let's click on one of them just to show you what the actual inside of a lesson looks like. A couple of things I would like to show you. You have a little icon here on the right. This icon is a menu, and this menu is one of the most beloved features that we added to Eddify because it allows you to go to the exact point of the video that you want to learn. Please don't abuse this. If you really want to learn and get the benefit of using Eddify, be honest with yourself. Don't skip around the video if you really don't know how to do it. Let's say, for instance, you're a student who is honest with themselves and they know how to do the multiplication, division, and they just forgot what the power-to-power property is. Click on power-to-power property. It's going to go back to exactly the power property right over here. And that is one of the most awesome features. Next, I want to show you that there's a little gear right here. We speak at a pretty moderate speed. In fact, sometimes we slow it down a little bit just so no one's left behind. We understand that sometimes you may want to watch the videos at a much faster speed. You're welcome to do that, and you can do that using this little gear / cog over here. One is regular speed, 1.5. Now going beyond 1.5 is really counterproductive. You're not really going to learn something if you go faster than this. In fact, that's almost too fast. So 1.25 is recommended, not any more than 1.5 for sure. So now notice we're going to hit complete. Remember, there weren't any lessons completed. So when you hit complete, and that's automatically updated our progress tracker as you will. We're learning all the lessons, building up our muscles, and then we're going to end up with a question bank. So I'm going to close out of this, and we're going to go see what I was sharing with you a minute ago, that the progress tracker has updated to now say we have completed 1 out of 57 items. One of the awesomest experiences with Eddify is that you're learning along with peers. We are here. We have each other's back. So we've created forums whereby if you click on one, you'd be able to be in a space where you can ask questions to your peers and most definitely to your instructor. It's more like a chat feature. So if you have a question, please do drop it in there.